Hello, hi guys, a very good evening. Due to holy holidays, the same cannot be done in a slide format, so I'm going with the PDF format. Which bank has introduced saving account for millennials? The correct answer for the same is none of these, as Indian Overseas Bank account has given this saving account option for millennials. For opening an IOB trendy account, customer needs to be within the age bracket of 21 to 30 years. The account can be either self or jointly operated. If it's a joint account, the primary holder must be a millennial at the time of account opening. Security and Exchange Board of India, along with which organization, has framed a new penal structure for the commodity derivative segment in event of delivery default? The correct answer for the same is Clearing Corporation of India Limited. They have said that the clearing corporations having commodity derivative segment should have an appropriate deterrent mechanism in place against intentionally or willfully delivery default and ensure adequate compensation to the non-defaulting counterparty. India is ranked 40th on the International Intellectual Property Index 2021. Which of the following countries has topped the index? Correct answer for the same is USA. So USA has topped the index, and the report is released by annually by US Chamber of Commerce Global Innovation Policy Center, GIPC. So GIPC releases it. As per the recent report, India and which country are working on third joint satellite mission? The correct answer for the same is, kindly give the correct answer, France. So India and France are working on the third joint satellite mission. This bilateral space collaboration is entering into multiple domains, including human spaceflight program, ISRO chairman K. Sivan said. France is the biggest partner of India in space. This is also a fact. India and which country have conducted first ever joint naval patrolling and PASEX? Correct answer is Madagascar. So the joint navies of India and Madagascar took the joint patrolling of Madagascar's EEZ. India and which country have agreed to re-establish Homeland Security Dialogue? Correct answer is very simple, as Homeland Security is only in USA. So Homeland and this was done by India and US. There's nothing to explain. Education Minister has launched 100 comic books created by teachers, students of CBSE schools. Who among the following is the Education Minister of India? Very easy, Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. He is the Education Minister of India. This comics can be accessed online on Diksha web portal via the Diksha app on any Android smartphone. Who among the following has authored the book My Experiments with Silence? Correct answer for the same is Sameer Soni. So Sameer Soni has launched his book My Experiments with Silence. This is a deeply personal account of Sameer Soni's dialogues with himself during his growing up years in Delhi, his stint in the Wall Street, and at his time in Bollywood. Which state's tuberculosis eradication program has won the national honor as the state backed the union government's award for reducing the prevalence of the disease through various systematic initiatives? Correct answer for the same is Kerala. So Kerala has won the award. It's a national honor and they have reduced TB in their state. Name the person who has shattered the world record en route clinching the gold in P4 mixed 50-meter pistol S1 event on penultimate day of the 2021 Parachuting World Cup. Answer is Manish Narwal. So Manish Narwal has won the 2021 Parachuting World Cup. Who among the following breaks MS Dhoni's record as Afghanistan sweep Zimbabwe T21 I Series, T20 International Series? So the correct answer for the same is Ashgar Afghan. So Ashgar Afghan went past former India captain MS Dhoni to become the most successful captain in T20 internationals. This was achieved by Afghanistan 47-run win over Zimbabwe in the third T20I. Which company has received contract from the Ministry of Defence for manufacturing armored tactical vehicles for Indian armies for their recce and weapon carrier requirements? Kindly give the correct answer. Correct answer for the same is Mahindra Defence. So Mahindra Defence have received the contract. The LSP has been designed and developed by MDS, keeping in mind the exact standard and requirement of the Indian Army. MDS full form, Mahindra Defence System Limited. Which of the following country has recently got the go-ahead to construct what was being built as the world's first ship tunnel designed to help vessels navigate in treacherous starboard sea? The correct answer for the same is Norway. So Norway has got to go ahead to construct what is being built as the world's first ship tunnel designed to help vessels navigate the treacherous starboard sea. Dubai International Airport has partnered with which company to become world's first smart reading airport? Kindly give the correct answer. Correct answer is Magster. So Dubai International has partnered with Magster to become the world's first smart reading airport. World's first Super Mario theme park was opened in which country? Correct answer for the same is Japan. So Japan has opened the world's Universal Studios Japan has opened the yen 60 billion or $550 million Super Mario themed attraction in a major leap beyond the virtual games by games maker Nintendo company. Kurnool Airport has been named after which freedom fighter? Correct answer for the same is Narasimha Reddy. So Narasimha Reddy has got the honors. This is the 6th airport in Andhra Pradesh which was inaugurated by Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. Name the South Korean National Defense Minister who visited India for 3 days. Correct answer for the same is Si-wook. So Si-wook is the South Korean Defense Minister who was witnessing a defense exercise by Indian Army's paratroopers in Agra. He began his 3-day visit to India with a focus of boosting bilateral defense and military cooperation. Which of the following states has emerged as a champion state where the Van Dhan program has emerged a major source of employment for the local tribals? Correct answer is very simple. The correct answer for the same is Manipur. So Manipur has emerged as a model state for Van Dhan Vikas Yojana. The regional Sarasphere, an initiative of Ministry of Rural Development to promote rural products and build capacity for self-help groups, was inaugurated in which city? The correct answer for the same is Kohima. So in Kohima, the regional Sarasphere, an initiative of Ministry of Rural Development, was launched. The main aim of Saras is to bring local artisans and self-help groups to promote and sell their products as well as get exposure in bigger entrepreneurial platform. Thank you very much for the class. I shall meet you again tomorrow with the current affairs.